Hi everyone! Recently I've started as an artist in residence at the Tett Centre for 3 months where I'll be working on some projects. I'd like to show you around. So when you walk in, you can see this really big chalkboard on the wall, how to say welcome or hello in various languages. There you can see the artist in residence. So where is the studio space, you may ask? Well, it's down this hallway, and as you're moving along this hallway, you get to look into various art organizations and see what they're working on. It's really cool. Here you can see Robot Butterfly is hanging around in various spots. So when you enter into the artist studio space, there's this central area, and then there's artists who have studios around this central area, and through that door is where mine is located for the 3 months. It's just getting set up. This was just the first week, and here's the window, which is one of the really cool parts. And then outside of the window, you get to see the beautiful nature that's surrounding the Tett Centre. Because it's on the shores of Lake Ontario, you get to see the water and also see the nature, which is really nice. One of the first tasks I wanted to accomplish in the first week was to get a pen plotter set up. So here I'm admiring the build quality of the Axie Draw, which was made by Evil Mad Scientists. Now you can get a newer version by Bantam Tools, but we're using this one. And here you can see one of its first plots, a Sierpinski triangle with all those squiggles. I'll be using that for various projects in the upcoming weeks. The project that I am working on for the residency is to create 3 new robot creatures based off of the Robot Butterfly platform. If you want to see updates of what I'm working on, you can check out my Instagram, which is at robotzwirl with a Z. Okay, thanks and see you next time.